Permutations and combinations. So what's the difference? For permutations, order matters. For combinations, order doesn't matter. Take these two sets of numbers. For permutations, the numbers are in a different order, therefore they count as different groupings. For combinations, they contain the same numbers, therefore they are the same grouping. Permutations are given by this formula, where n is the number of objects and r is the number of objects taken at a time. Here's an example. Suppose you know the first 6 digits of a phone number and want to find the number of possible phone numbers. We know that r equals 4 because you're taking 4 numbers at a time, and n equals 10 because you're choosing between 10 numbers, 0 through 9. Plugging it into the equation we get Combinations are given by this formula, where n is the number of objects and r is the number of objects taken at a time. Look at the example again. This time, no phone number can contain the same numbers. R still equals 4 and n still equals 10. Plugging it into the equation we get Let's compare the results. Our permutation answer was 5040 and our combination answer was 210. If we look at their formulas, we can see that the only difference is the extra 4 factorial in the denominator of the combination formula. If we take the permutation answer divided by the combination answer, we get 24, which equals 4 factorial. This means that if we are given either the combination or permutation and r, we can figure out the other grouping method. If the permutation answer is 360,360 and r equals 5, then what is the combination answer? So, using the knowledge we acquired from the previous problem, if we take the permutation answer and divide by r factorial, we will get the combination answer. But if we were given the combination answer, we would multiply it by r factorial. That's it. Now that you know the difference between permutations and combinations, you can successfully choose the correct one to use in a problem. And you should always remember, order matters for permutations and order doesn't matter for combinations.